Coffee painting is a monochromatic art form which brings joy not just by sight but also by smell. It is simply created by mixing coffee with water and varying the amount of coffee in water to get different tones. Sometimes coffee is boiled to get the darkest shade. The technique of coffee painting is similar to watercolors. If you enjoy watercolors, then this can be your next favorite medium. With its beautiful warm brown tones, you can create a landscape, a portrait, or just some beautiful flowers and fruits. Plus, coffee is one of the affordable mediums for painting. During this Penkraft Online coffee painting course, we start with the technique of mixing coffee with water to get different tones, its basic application, followed by the different techniques of application, creating basic elements like flowers, leaves, and finally some do's and don'ts. We then teach step by step on how to create products using paper, both simple and detailed paintings like landscapes, birds, fruits, etc. The course then progresses to other DIY paper surfaces as well as canvas. Throughout the course, we keep providing tips and tricks to make your experience rewarding and your knowledge of this art thorough.